है। ये रहा क्राइटेरिया पेज का। लेवल 1 2 रीच 3.9 के प्रीवियस 28 डेज। इंगेजमेंट 512 प्लस 100%। रिकमेंडेशन 3 सेकंड वीडियो व्यूज जो है वो 4.6 के है। और नेट फॉलोअर्स जो है वो 17 हैं पिछले 28 दिन में। अच्छा, उसके अलावा मोनेटाइजेशन पे आते हैं। गेट स्टार्टेड। हम एड्स ऑन रील्स पे जाते हैं, इन स्ट्रीम एड्स पे, सॉरी। 5 क्राइटेरिया हैं जिसमें से एक पे 6000 मिनट पूरे हुए हैं, 5000 फॉलोअर्स करने हैं और एक वीडियो बनानी है। 5 वीडियोस एलिजिबल वीडियोस। अच्छा, स्टार का क्राइटेरिया। अच्छा, एलिजिबल क्राइटेरिया टू स्टार्ट अर्निंग 4 है, जिसमें से 2 हुए हैं मेरे ख्याल से। You follow Facebook content monetization policies. Your residence is an eligible country. Your profile has at least 500 followers. Your profile has had 500 followers for 30 consecutive days. Ads on Reels. Invite only. Bonus. Invite only. Live ads. इसके भी 7 क्राइटेरिया है। You are residence in an eligible country. You follow Facebook content monetize policies. Your profile has at least 1000 followers. Your eligible videos, including on demand, live, and previously live, have been viewed at least 6000 minutes in the last 60 days. At least 6000 of those minutes are from live videos. You shared 5 or more eligible videos in the last 30 days. At least 3 videos were previously live in last 90 days. Okay. In streamers, your residence in eligible country. You follow Facebook content monetization policies. Your profile has at least 5000 followers. Your eligible video, including on demand, live previously have been reviewed at least 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days. You shared at least 5 eligible videos in the last 30 days that were either on demand, live, or previous live. Okay. Page recommendation, page status, page has no issue. Page mm, payouts, overview $0. अच्छा, earn an achievement 0. Ad center, see more insight, get started, create post, अच्छा, page, save, there is no video to including this, next page. Criteria, monetization, instruments. Oh, 6,000 out of 30,000. 5 videos completed, and this your eligible videos including on demand, live, and previously live have. Okay. Ads on Reels is not existing.